Now, Universal has been fortunate enough to work with generation-defining directors like Alfred Hitchcock and Steven Spielberg, and now we're thrilled to partner with Academy Award winner Jordan Peele. In just a moment, we'll be taking you to Jupiter's Claim, the actual sets from his new sci-fi thriller, Nope, which stars Daniel Kaluuya, Keke Palmer, and Steven Yeun. Welcome to Jupiter's Claim. To tell you about the set, here's Mr. Jordan Peele.
Movie magic only happens when a team of collaborators, often in the hundreds, work together to take an impossible notion and bring it to life. This is Jupiter's Claim, a nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Jupe Park. Over there, look into the winking well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Sheriff. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Well, I do. A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. Well, it's not looking so live anymore. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy of a gold rush frontier town lies a sinister secret. It is smack dab in the center of a UFO hotspot. What's a bad miracle? You're about to find out. Welcome to the world of No.
Hasta la vista, folks. But guess what? Yeah, this is not the only place where bad things are happening, because I'm getting a message from security. What's up?
This is Agent No.